In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop loss on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to open your trader here on your dashboard. Of course, you want to be signed into your account to be able to do this. And then from here, you want to go to the right hand side to the trade tab. Now I am currently on my demo account, but it's going to be the same if you're using live trading as well. It's pretty much the same platform for the exception that I'm now trading with demo funds, okay? So to set a trailing stop loss, what you have to do is here under trade, you can see limit, market, and trigger order. If you hover over trigger here, you can switch from trigger to trailing stop. So if you want to set a trailing stop loss, you want to click on trailing stop over here. Then you want to select your variance over here, either in USDT or of course percentage over here. And then you can go ahead and basically go to amount over here as well. And you can select the minimum amount. I'm going to do 0.001 right now. And then from here, you can select if you want to buy or sell. And whenever you do this, you can just confirm your order. And that is how to set a trailing stop loss in BloFin. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.